Guys, today we're gonna look at this aftermarket head unit that I bought for my car. It's made by a company called Isudar, which has got warehouses in Poland, China, and they make good quality Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless head units for different car brands. So I got this one online from their website at a decent price, and they actually gave me a discount as well. And they're supposed to have added a CAN bus adapter as well for my Mitsubishi Pajero. So we'll just go ahead, we'll unbox it, we'll see what's inside, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I've just opened the box up, and let's have a look at what's inside. Let's open this thing. I got some sort of a bubble wrap or something similar. We'll open all this tape up. I think that's the actual head unit in there. Okay. So that's actually, I think that's the head unit with the fascia already fitted. So that's handy. So I don't have to worry about fitting the fascia then. It is for my right car. Well, it is for the right car, which is mine. So it's 9-inch unit as advertised. Put this on the side. See what we've got here. I use a manual. Different languages. Hope there's an English. Yeah, there's the English there. So tells you how to configure it. I don't think it'll be too hard to figure out. Okay, put this to the side. A couple of cables. Some more cables, attachments. I believe this should be the reverse camera. Yep, that's it in there. And spare pen. Oh, these things are really handy. The plastic sludge to open the original car's sort of fascia and stuff to install this one in. So it's really nice to send this one through. So, all right. Well, Margaret's put on a bit of weight, as you can see. So we'll just go ahead and I think we'll proceed and install it probably tomorrow, and then I'll make another video and I'll attach it to this one and upload it. Okay, guys, so here we are. We are inside the Pajero now, ready to change this factory head unit to the aftermarket one. Now, to do that, obviously you need to remove the dash panel, so you got to remove this vent. When you do that, there's a little plug that connects to the hazard light, so you got to take it off. Be careful, don't pull this all the way out without disconnecting that little power cord there, or the harness there, or the cable there. Then you've got to take this one out. They both got 3 clips, so my understanding is there's, for the left one, there's 1 clip here at the bottom and a couple of clips at the top. So whatever you use, a screwdriver, egg flipper, whatever tool you use, just be careful to exert pressure on these 3 points. For this one, the clips, I believe, are here, and they stop to there. So just lever on these 3 points. Then you need to take this one out. I think you just need to lever under here and just pull it from the top, and then this should come out. But before you do anything else, you should pop the hood and disconnect your battery. And so we'll just go ahead and do that. We'll take these panels off, and we'll see what's happening after that. Okay, so here we are. We've removed the 2 side window vents. This one here on the right facing you, and that one on the left. This is the little vent that was part of the one on the right, so you can put that back later. We've removed the little this unit with the aircon controller here, and we've removed the main fascia and the outer panel of the head unit. So that's all come out. Now the next step, I'll just put it here. The next step is to remove the factory head unit. As you can see, it's got a couple of screws there, so you've got to take them off, and then remove this head unit off and see what happens. Okay, so this is the factory head unit that we've just taken off. One thing I've forgotten to do that I always forget when I change head units or have them changed by someone else is take out the CD inside. So I wouldn't worry about it. I'll just leave it. It wasn't a very precious CD to me anyway. So, any case, so this is what you see at the back. These three little connections. So we'll just go ahead. We'll disconnect them. Take this head unit away, and then we'll configure the new head unit with these attachments. So I believe it should be plug and play. So it should be fairly straightforward. Okay, guys. So we've just connected everything. So we put the head unit in. As you can see, it's a beautiful unit, 9-inch screen, and put the top unit there as well. It's loading, and yeah, there you go. You can see all the icons, everything on it. Yeah, I've connected the 4G as well, so you could probably even go on YouTube and something. But yeah, it's a beautiful unit. Everything's all connected, and
Wi-Fi.
And yeah, I've got the 4G signal there, and I believe I should be able to use it and go from there. But yeah, it looks lovely. It's all connected, and yeah, it's good to go. So it was all plug and play, so it wasn't sort of particularly difficult. Didn't come with any instructions, so that was the only issue. But once you get the hang of it, it's fairly easy to put in. So I'll just go ahead, I'll configure it a bit more, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so as you can see, the head unit's all fitted in. Fits in beautifully with its fascia. Perfectly fitting with this model of the Mitsubishi Pajero. And I'll just start the car and you'll see how quickly it loads up. Quite quickly. So there you are. It's all hooked in, ready to go. So we'll just I think it's hooked in with the Apple CarPlay now. Excellent. There you go. So you can YouTube, you can Spotify, you can do maps, you can do whatever you want. It works beautifully with the car stereo. The volume's very good. It's lovely. And the sound is great. So yeah, it's all done. The only thing I haven't done yet is the reverse camera install. I have got the wire for it connected already to the head unit, and I've just fed it into my box here, but I shall do that another day, and I shall upload a video about it. But yeah, it's all installed. It's working perfectly, so I'm really happy. And yeah, thanks for watching. So this is the Isiodor head unit. You can buy it from the Isiodor's own website, or you can buy it from their Chinese warehouse, which is called Zhangli. So you can buy it from there as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. It's a beautiful head unit. It works great, and so far I'm really happy with it. Thank you. If you like it, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.